Why is picking paint color so hard? I have 3 easy tips to make it stress-free. Tip number 1 is to always compare your paint swatches to white. You never want to go to the store, get a paint swatch, and hold it up next to your wall. See, these walls are a grayish. This next to it looks really beige, but guess what? When you compare it to white, you get to see the true color. So always compare your paint swatches against white, a true white like a Benjamin Moore Chantilly lace. That'll show you the true color. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to always look at your paint swatches. If you're painting the wall, you want to look at them vertically, because this paint swatch, see how different it looks up as it does down? You want to be looking at it where you're going to paint. If you're painting a tabletop, then yes, you want to look at it horizontally. But if you're painting your walls, you want to look at it vertically. That's tip number 2. And lastly, try to pick something in your room that has a color that you'd like on your wall. Say this is your throw pillow. You can easily pick a color out of this for your walls, and it's much easier than just going to the store and picking some old beige, because guess what? You go to the store, you have a beige, you pick a white, and you figure this will work in the room, right? So you come home, have your paint swatches, and guess what? Your white does not look right with that fabric. White does not go with everything. So you choose a beige. Not quite right. All beiges are not the same. This is actually a taupe. It's not a beige, and it doesn't look good with this pillow fabric, does it? So you try this one. It's pretty close, but it almost has a little bit too much green in the beige, doesn't it? But guess what? If you had taken this fabric swatch with you to the store, you would have picked the right paint color the first time. So pick something from your room, pick a color from that, and you'll never go wrong. Tip number 1 was to always compare paint swatches against white, not against your current wall color, so that you can get a true look at what it's going to look like. Tip number 2, if you're painting your walls, you want to look at the paint swatch vertically, not horizontally. See how the color changes? Your walls are vertical, so this is how it's going to look in your home. Tip number 3, choose something in your space that you like the colors in to choose a color for your walls. That way your walls relate to other items in the room. It pulls everything together. If you want more tips on paint, you can download my 22 foolproof paint colors by going right to our website, detailsfullserviceinteriors.com. Enter your email address to download the 22 foolproof paint colors so you can avoid the do-over. Happy painting!